Today, I'll show you how we help our customer to locate the hard-to-find components he needs on Utsource.net. Robert M. Schall is our old customer who often makes orders from us. He has a workshop called Robert's Computer Hospital in Los Angeles, and his main business is Mac and PC repair, CCTV, surveillance camera, appliance repair, auto electric, stereo and alarm, and residential commercial electrical. So he often needs to find different kinds of components for his repairing, and some of the components are really hard to find. Today, we get his order again, so let's start to prepare the parts for his order. I'm checking what he needs first, to check the customer and order info. Then the part number Robert ordered is automatically assigned to the PDA system of our purchasing department. And I start to find the parts for Robert. Let's go! Robert also has some other parts we need to add during our preparation. When I get the news and find the parts for him, I find them at last and put them in different bags. Now, I prepare all the parts that Robert needs and double-check the part number. Then I pack them. Robert tells us that he wants to ship it via DHL, so I packed it well and put the product list in the parcel. Now, the DHL delivery truck is on the way, and I'll ship it. The parcel will arrive to him soon.